Welcome to this tutorial on how to reset your Entegrus MyAccount password. This video is for existing customers who are requesting to reset their password to log in to the new Entegrus MyAccount customer portal. Step 1. Visit myaccount.entegrus.com and enter the email address associated with your existing MyAccount. Click Next. Step 2. Click Forgot Password. This will direct you to enter the email address associated with your existing MyAccount again and then click Reset Password. A link to reset your password has now been sent to your email. Step 3. Here is an example of the email you will receive from customer service at entegrus.com. Simply click the link in the email to be redirected back to the Entegrus MyAccount Reset Password screen. Step 4. After you click on the reset link, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Make sure to follow the requirements listed. Please also review the terms and services by clicking the link to view them. Once finished, change the button to Yes to accept our terms and services. To complete the process, click Reset Password. You have completed the registration process. Please allow 5 minutes for us to process your registration. Sign in at any time on any device at myaccount.entegrus.com. If you wish to use your Google or Apple account for future single sign-on access, please ensure you registered using that same email address. Before signing in next time, select your preferred login option and follow the prompts to connect your accounts.